Hello everyone, good morning. This is your maths class for today. Students, now we will continue your previous session. So let's start question number 3. Find the length of the base of a triangle whose area is 220 meter square and altitude is 11 meter. Okay students, that means आपको बेस की लेंथ फाइंड करनी है जिसका एरिया गिवन है एंड एल्टीट्यूड गिवन है. Is that clear students? So that means this is a triangle. Okay students, altitude that means 90 degree. Okay, that means height. Okay, ये आपको given है, height is 11 meter, that means this is altitude. And students, we have to find the base, that means आपको base find करना है. Is that clear? So let the length of the base of a triangle will be B. Is that clear? Okay students, so here students, area is given. Yes, what is the area of here? That is 220 meter square. And students, altitude, that means height is given 11 meter. Okay student, that means we have to find the base. Okay students, एंड स्टूडेंट्स मैंने आपको बताया है कि जब भी आपके पास वो वैल्यू गिवन हो जिसका आपको फॉर्मूला पता हो तो हम उस फॉर्मूले का यूज़ करते हैं. इज दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो दैट मीन्स एरिया ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल that will be half into base into height. Okay students, and area is given also, that is 220 is equal to 1 upon 2 into base. We don't have base and height is here, that means 11. Okay students, so we can find easily what is the value of P. Okay, so here this is also here, that means 220 into 2 is equal to base into 11. Okay students, and here B is equal to 220 into 2 upon, students ये multiply में है so divide हो जाएगा. Okay, and 11 2 is 22, then 1 0 here, and B is equal to 20 into 2, that means 2 2 is 4, 40. Okay student, that means base is here 40 meter. Is that clear? Okay, so that means hence base of a triangle that is 40 meter. Okay, so that is your answer. Okay students, okay, now the next question is question number 4. Find the area of the shaded portion from the measurement given in the figure. That means एक फिगर गिवन है, that means जो भी ये shaded portion है आपको इसका एरिया फाइंड करना है. Understood? Okay students, so here students, this is a rectangle. Okay, here one is rectangle and one is triangle. Okay students, here one is rectangle. Yes, that is A, B, C, D. Okay students, and other is triangle. Okay students, what will be here? That is A, D, E. A, D, E. Is that clear? Okay students, and students, in rectangle we have length. Okay, this is the length and this is the breadth. Is that clear? Okay, so here length of the rectangle, that will be 30 centimeter, and breadth of the rectangle, that is 20 centimeter. Is that clear? Okay, so here area of rectangle A, B, C, D, that will be length into breadth, and students, length is here 30 and breadth is here 20. Okay students, so that means 3 2s are 6 and 2 0 are there. Okay students, so that means that is the area of rectangle A, B, C, D. Is that clear? That means area of rectangle A, B, C, D, that will be 600 centimeter square. Okay students, now area of triangle A D E. Okay students, in this triangle, this is the 20 centimeter also. Why? Because in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Okay student, that means this is 20, so that will be 20 here. Okay students, and in triangle, that is the triangle students, in triangle that is the base is here 20 centimeter, and height, what will be height? That means altitude is here 10 centimeter. Is that clear in triangle? Yes, here base is 20 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. Okay, so here base of the triangle, that will be 20 centimeter. Okay students, and height of the triangle, that will be 10 centimeter. Is that clear students? So we can find easily what is the area of this triangle. So here area of triangle, that will be half into base into height. Okay students, so here half, base is here students 20 and height is here, that is 10. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 1 0 here, so that means 10 into 10, that means 100 centimeter square. Okay student, this is the area of triangle ADE. Okay students. Okay, so students, here we have to find the shaded portion. Okay, so let's see this figure. So students, in this figure, this is the area of rectangle and this is the area of ट्राइंगल. सो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हमें ये शेडेड पोर्शन फाइंड करना है, सो इस टोटल एरिया में से, दैट मीन्स इस टोटल रेक्टेंगल के एरिया में से अगर हम ट्राइंगल का एरिया माइनस कर दे, दैट मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दे, सो आपके पास क्या बचेगा? जो भी इसका शेडेड पोर्शन होगा. इज दैट क्लियर? सो लेट्स डू इट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर शेडेड पोर्शन, that will be total area is there, that is 600 centimeter square, and students, triangle area is here 100 centimeter square, so that means that will be 500 centimeter square. Okay student, that is the area of shaded portion. Is that clear? So that is your answer. Hence the area of the shaded portion that will be 500 centimeter square. Okay, so that is your answer. Okay students. Okay, now the next question is question number 5. Find the area of a parallelogram PQRS if PR is 24 centimeter and QU and ST is equal to 6 centimeter. Is that clear student? So student, that means this is a parallelogram. Okay students, and you all know that in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Is that clear students? Here altitude is also equal, and so students, here PR is 24 centimeter. Okay, so that means this is 24. Okay students, so students, we have to find the area of parallelogram. Okay students, so area of parallelogram, yes students, parallelogram is here PQRS is equal to area of, yes. So students, there are two triangle in one parallelogram. Okay, that means PQRS में two triangle है. One is PSR and second one is PQR. Is that clear students? So area of triangle PSR and plus area of triangle PQR. Is that clear? So student, that is the two triangle. Is that clear? So students, here, as you all know that what is the area of triangle? Student, that will be half base into height. Okay students, any doubt here? So students, this is also base into height. So here half base is here. What is the base of triangle? PSR. Student, this is the base. So student, base is here PR and height is here ST. Okay students, plus half base. So students, in triangle PQR, base is here PR, okay, and height is here this one, that means QU. Is that clear? So we will put the value of this. So students, PR is here 24, ST is here, yes, 6 centimeter, and plus half PR is here students 24, 2U is here, that is 6. Okay, so student, this cancel by this 12 time and this is also 12 time. So students, 12 6 are 72 and this is also 72. So that means 144 centimeter square. That is the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram PQRS, that will be 144 centimeter square. So student, that is your answer. Okay students, any doubt here? Okay. Students, now that's all for today, and students, if you have any doubt in any questions, so you can contact or message to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.